A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to reasoning class. Take out your reasoning book. Open chapter 6, grouping of figure and figure matrix. In previous class, we have understood this chapter, and today we are going to start with the exercise. So, take out page number 42, write down today's date, that is 26/1/21. This exercise we are going to do in book itself, okay? So, look, directions is given. You have to write down date over here, okay? 26/1/21. Read out the directions. Find the figure from the option which replace the question mark in the given figure. So, look at the first question. A box is given like this. Okay, a box is given like this. So you have to find out this missing place. Okay, now how you can find out this? Look, what is this? 3, 6, 9, 21, 33, 48, 51, 60. Okay, so look, all these digits are divisible by 3. Yes or no? Yes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21. Same way, all these digits are divisible by 3. Here you have to find out that what will come over here. Now look at the option A, 20. 20 is there in the table of 3? No, I don't think so. Now come to 18. 18 is there in the table of 3? Yes or no? Yes, it means 18 will be the correct answer because 6 threes are 18. It means 18 come on the table of 3rd. So take this option B. Option B is correct. Okay. Now, second one is for homework. Mention it over there, homework. Look, in front of the question, you have to mark it like this, homework. It means second one is for homework. Now, look at the third one. Look at the third question. Again, box is given over here. Yes or no? Yes. And in each box, there is a triangle, circle and 2 intersecting lines. Yes or no? Yes. So what you have to do now? You have to find out this missing place. It is given or not? Yes. So look, in third question, in each box there is a triangle or not? Yes. Circle is also there and 2 line is there. there, either two straight lines are there, either they are intersecting each other or parallel. Look. Yes or no? Yes. Now you have to find out this missing one. It means उस बॉक्स में क्या होना चाहिए? Triangle, circle and two lines. Find out. Look at the one. Look at the option A. There are 4 straight lines and one circle, but triangle is not there. It means this one is wrong. Come to second one. 2 parallel straight lines are there. Circle is there, but triangle is not there. So that this is not the correct answer. Come to third one. Here 2 straight lines are there. Triangle is also there and circle is also there. Yes or no? Yes. It means what will be the correct answer? C. Okay. Take the C one. Take C. C is the correct option. Now turn your page. Comes to page number 43. Look what question number 4 is saying. How many groups of 6 boys each can be formed from the girls given below? Question is saying how many group of 6 boys? It means in one group there will be 6 boys. So how many group of 6 boys each can be formed from the girls given below? Look at this picture. Is there any boy? No, there is not even a single boy is there. Okay, so it means that 0 group will be formed from the given girls. Okay, if boys is not there, so फिर तक group कहाँ से बनेगा? Yes or no? हम लोग को किसका group बनाना था? Only boys का, but boys तो है नहीं. It means how many groups will be formed? 0. So take the option C, 0. Take it. Understood? समझ आया बेटा? Now come to question number 5th. Look what question number 5th is saying. In which group does number 25 belongs? In which group does number 25 belongs? अब आपको बताना है. Here 4 groups are there. आपको बताना है कि 25 जो नंबर है वो किस ग्रुप को बिलोंग कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. ओके, what numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It means this is the multiple of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20, 2 elevens are 22, 2 12s are 24. It means 25 will not come in this group. Now look at the option B. 4, 8, 12, 16 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Okay, and 4 sixes are 24, but 25 will not come. Now come to C1. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Yes, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. It means that 25 will come in this option C. Take this option, this one. Here 25th will exist. Take this. This is the correct answer. Now come to 6th question. Which of the following belongs to group X? Here you have to tell that which of the following belongs to the group X. Look at the box. A box is given. Here mirror images is given of the alphabet. It means जो alphabet आप लोग सीधे लिखते हो ना, उसको जब आप मिरर में देखोगे तो आपको कैसे नजर आएंगे? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन मीन्स उल्टे नजर आएंगे. यस, अब आपको बेटा फाइंड करना है ये जो ऑप्शन है इसमें से करेक्ट वर्ड कौन सा है। लुक एट द ए, एल। जब आप मिरर में एल को देखोगे तो आपको कैसे दिखाई देगा? ऐसे नहीं, बिकॉज ये तो उल्टा हो गया है, मीन्स रिवर्स हो गया है। नाउ लुक एट द B1, दिस इज, ये तो बेटा सीधा है, सी है ना, जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मली लिखते हैं। लुक एट के, जब आप लोग के को लिखोगे एंड इसके सामने मिरर रखोगे तो आपको के कैसे दिखाई देगा? लाइक दिस, दैट इज गिवन इन द ऑप्शन सी। ओके, टिक दिस ऑप्शन सी, के इज करेक्ट। टिक द ऑप्शन सी। Now come to question number 7. Look, which of the following figure belongs to group X? Here a box is given and look in this box. What is this? Here two similar shape is there. Yes or no? When two similar shape intersect each other, then one similar region is shaded. जब आप बेटा टू सिमिलर शेप को आपस में मिक्स करोगे तो एक जो सिमिलर हमारी शेप बनेगी उसको हम लोग ने क्या किया है? शेड किया है। सेम वे में अब आपको बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा फिगर इस ग्रुप को बिलोंग करता है। ओके, नाउ लुक, look at the A1. What is this? Wait, look at the A1. Here, how many shapes are there? Two shapes are there. Yes or no? Yes. One is cylinder and second is triangle. But look at the group X. Here, two same shapes are there, but triangle and circle is opposite. Yes or no? So this will not be correct answer. Come to B1. Look here, a rectangle is there and another one is also rectangle. Yes or no? Look, this shape and this shape is same now. So when they meet each other, so this area will be shaded. Yes, it means this will be the correct answer. Option B. Okay. Now look at the 8th question. Which of the following does not belongs group X? इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो ग्रुप X को बिलोंग नहीं कर रही है? This question you have to do in your home. Okay. So this is for today. Only 2 question is for homework. Okay. We have done till question number 8. Now next we will carry on the next lecture. Okay. Don't forget to do your homework. Question number 2 and 8. Okay. Thank you.